Hello guys, welcome you all again for this end-to-end AIML session where we're going to learn everything in order to become a data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are learning. We are also learning every day. Okay, so as you guys, we are also learning. Okay, so guys, hope you guys are enjoying. If you guys have any doubt, just ping us in the comments. We are here to help you. So yeah, without wasting any time, we will jump into today's session. Before that, it's a humble request from my side because please watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are saying now. So yeah, without any wasting time, we just jump into today's session. Today's session is like continuation of previous session, which is like introduction to SQL. We have just introduced you what is SQL, why you need SQL, what are the things that we are having in SQL, and some kind of queries we have seen. Okay, queries is like a statements in SQL. Okay, it's not like we are having queries with someone. Okay, it's like a statements. Okay, it's like a syntax. Okay, let's see. We are gonna continue that process. Okay, so filtering and sorting data in SQL. Okay, filtering allows you to narrow down your results to specific records while sorting orders the data in a specific way. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So we're gonna filter and sort our data. Okay, if you guys have attended our Python session, you guys have know already about the data frame where we'll be filtering and sorting. It's like a similar thing. Okay, it's a Python is a programming language, whereas SQL is a structured query language. It's a query kind of language. Okay, let's see what we are having. Var class, we already know. Okay, if you guys have attended previous session, now you guys know var class, which is used to do the filtering kind of thing. Okay, it will filter the records based on the condition. Okay, then like operator enables us to enables pattern matching filtering rows based on a text pattern. Okay, like will do, for example, if you need all the records with the name starts with A. Okay, Arjun, Arun, like those things, then you need to put like and then A percentage. Okay, don't worry about it. Like is used to retrieve the text pattern which starts or ends in the middle, like that. Okay, it needs to retrieve. Okay, for filtering kind of. And you guys already know, if you guys have attended previous session, you guys know order by is a class which is used to order your data based on the ascending or descending order. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. So for filtering, we are having var and like class. Var is for data, and then for like is for string kind of data. Okay, var is for number data, number related data filtering, whereas like is for text related data filtering. Order by is used to order both the text values as well as the number values, both in ascending and descending order. Okay, hope I have just explained in a simple manner again. So yeah, that's from my side. Yes, sir, over to you.
Yeah, so filtering and sorting data, guys. So we have already discussed certain terminologies. So here we'll see in detail. So filtering allows us to narrow down the results to specific records, while sorting orders the data in a specific way. Okay. So where clause, it helps us to filter rows based on specific conditions such as equality, inequality, or range. Okay, so this is where clause will help us. Like operator, it will help us enabling pattern matching, filtering rows based on text patterns. So this is how it will help. Order by clause will help us uh, sorts the retrieved data in a ascending or descending order based on specified column. So this is how we can run these queries where clause, like operator, ordered by clause. So these will help us for specific tasks, specific subtasks to perform and present our data in whatever data we want to retrieve. So whatever way we want to understand the data. So in SQL, so we'll run these queries according to the objective function, that what we want to understand, what we want to do, the analysis, manipulation, or um, other kind of queries to get other insights. So we'll use these queries to get the insights, and then we can design our models and stuff. Yeah, let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. So moving on, we are having joining tables. Okay, so join combines data from multiple tables based on shared columns, creating a unified data set. Okay, so I hope like you guys know about join. Okay, so in order to join two things, I have also already discussed. Okay, what joins us and you all guys? data science, right? Like that, we need to have something which is common for us in order to connect. So that's the thing. Let's see, we are having different kinds of join actually. Inner join, left join, right join, and then full join. Inner join, it returns row where the join condition is met in both the tables. Okay, I will put it in this manner. Consider two circles. Okay, circle one is A, that is one table, and a circle two is another table. What it does means it's gonna retrieve all the data. So two circles will be retrieved. Both the circles will be retrieved if it matches. Okay, whenever there is a match. Left join, retrieve all the records or all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. This is what left table will, everything will be come out. Okay, whereas right table only matching record. Okay, you can see only left circle will be shaded. Okay, then right join returns all the rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. Now you have all the records from the right table, only matching record from the left table. So now you have only right circle only. Now full join returns all the rows from both the tables even if there is no matching in the other table. Okay, it retrieves all the records. Okay, that is complete circle. Both the table will be retrieved, records of the tables will be retrieved. Okay, so I will come again. Inner join, it will be like a I will say the intersection point of both the circles. Okay, returns rows where the join is met in both the sides. Okay, left join, all the records from the left table, only matching records from the right table. Right join, all the records from the right table, only matching record from the left table. Full join, all the records from the right table and left table, even though they are not matching. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. So hope this is very interesting and also very easy to understand. So yeah, sir, over to you.
Yes, so joining table, guys. So you just understand we have to join two tables. Joining two tables means table is a singular, tables means plural. Joining tables means joining two tables. That's it. That's the name which suggests. Okay. So what? How we'll do that? Joining it. It combines. Just a minute. It combines data from multiple tables based on the shared column, creating a unified data set. That's what it is. It will combine two tables and make it one unified data set. Okay. So join type is description. So join type, we have these terms, and description we have all these terminology. So inner join is returning row where the join condition is met in the both tables. That is inner join. Okay. Then you have left join, returns all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. Okay, left join is that. Right join will be returns all the rows from the right table. This is how, if you see, you just need to remember the definition of left join. So right join is the opposite of it. So right join returns the returns all the rows from the right table matching rows from the left table. This is how you need to remember. Okay, it is opposite of left join. So inner join is which happens within both the table. That is where, so suppose returns rows from the join condition is met both the tables. Okay, that is inner join. So full join is returns all the rows from both the tables even if there is no match in other table. So full join can be whether it is matching or not matching. It will return all the rows from both the tables whether they are matching or not from the other table. So these are the terminologies you need to remember: inner join, left join, right join. Left join's opposite is right, right's opposite is left, and then full join. These are the terminologies, these are the queries which you have to run to manipulate data, or you can manipulate tables. Okay, make it unified data set using these queries. Let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sure, sir. So moving on, guys, we are having something like aggregating and analyzing data. Okay, So it is also one kind of thing that we had in the data frames. So guys, that's the reason we are just insisting you to just watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are telling. Okay, otherwise you guys are listening to this when we have learned this. Okay, because like we have just looked into only 2 slides. Okay, you guys have that much things. Okay, please watch previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding. Okay, so aggregating and analyzing the data. Aggregation function allows you to summarize data from multiple records or rows, providing insights into trends and patterns. Okay, aggregation, what it does means it will give a overall summary about the data, man. Okay, that's a big thing, right? So like let's see, these things you already know. Okay, count calculates the number of rows in the table or a group. Oh, so okay, it will calculate number of records in the table or rows in the table. That's what's count. Sum, it adds up values in a specific column. Whenever you are having a numeric column, sum is used to sum everything in the column. Okay, that is also a great thing, right? So you can have a sum of values which is present in the column. Average calculates the average value in a column. Okay, it will be very helpful when you are having missing value in order to reproduce the missing value by using the average. Okay, it will create an average of the entire column. See guys, like this is an aggregation function. Min and max determines the min or max value in the column, so it's also very important, right? So you can find outliers. Okay, right? So if it is very easier if you are having min and value and max value is a wide range, then you guys can find, okay, this data set will be having an outlier. Okay, you can have an assumption and then you go for a histogram. Okay, I'm not saying something different. We have just introduced histogram in the, I think, 3 to 4 session before. Okay, please watch previous session so that you can have an idea of what is histogram. Okay, so I will, in a simple manner, it is like it will create a normal distribution kind of plot, a bell curve. Okay, it will find the outlier. So min and max values of this aggregation can also able to find the outlier whenever a range is very high. So yeah, these are the aggregation function: count, sum, average, min, and max. There are more, but like these are the basic things. So yeah, sir, over to you.
Yeah, so aggregating and analyzing data in SQL, okay? So these functions summarize data and from manipulated rows, providing insights into trends and patterns. So here count, it calculates the number of rows in the table or the group, okay? Sum adds up values in a specified column. Sum is, we use in Excel also sum. So same way, it adds up. Okay, count is does the calculation, how many numbers and stuff. Then average, again the concept is same. It calculates average value in the column. That's it. Simple. And min and max again determines the minimum and maximum value in the column. Very simple, guys. It's very simple. You just need to use the mathematical concept, whatever you have learned in high school and college and higher secondary. So you have to apply it. It's no rocket science, guys. It's very simple. The logics are same. You just refresh, get familiar with the user interface and understand the concepts properly and apply them. And you are a data scientist then, no problem. So let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. So like yeah, these are the very basic aggregation function that we are having, man. Okay, so yeah, there are more aggregation function. Okay, we will be learning once we are going for the coding session. Okay, so yeah, moving on. Let's see. So what we are having next? Okay, SQL in data science workflow. Okay, so now this is a part that you guys need to understand how this SQL can be helpful in data science. Okay, SQL plays a crucial role in data science workflow, okay, enabling effective data extraction, cleaning, and preparation of for analysis. I hope, like guys, nearly 20 plus session we have done for data cleaning, data preparation, EDA. Okay, I've seen a simple manner, it's an EDA. Okay, so we have done 20 plus sessions. Okay, those things we can do by using this query language itself, this SQL query language itself. Okay, for example, data acquisition, retrieve and extract data from various data sources. This SQL has a power of retrieving data for using different data sources. It can be like a like cloud servers, it can be a local machine, or it can be something called a file kind of thing. It can do that. Data cleaning, it removes inconsistent as well as handling missing values and ensure data quality. Yeah, it can do that. Okay, like filling the missing values or removing the columns or removing the duplicate rows, like those things it can do. Data cleaning also we can do by using this SQL itself. Okay, we doesn't need a Python. Okay, so if it is a Python, we go for a data frame and use pandas, right? Pandas is a library. Here it is done by SQL itself. Then data transformation, reshaping, aggregation, modify the data to suit your analysis trend. Okay, yeah. Data transformation. This we have seen in the pandas for Python. In SQL, we can do data transformation by using reshaping the table that we are having, doing aggregation and then modifying, like those things we can do here. Finally, data analysis, applying statistics, statistical analysis, machine learning, and other data mining techniques. Okay, once we are ready with everything, we can go for analysis. So data is ready by using SQL things, and now we can apply whatever things we need: AI model, ML model, DL model, any kind of basic traditional analysis we are having, or professional data science analysis we are having, right? Anything you can apply. Okay, now you guys can understand, right, how SQL comes and how it mingles with the data science. Okay, so yeah, sir, over to you.
Yes. So these are very, very important queries, guys, and very important concept, powerful concept. If you want to become a data scientist, AI/ML engineer, or AI researcher, you need to be familiar with these tools, because if you say I'm a data scientist and I don't know SQL, so people might laugh at you, because it's very simple, simple tool, because you need to know about these. These are very, very basic. So just understand. So SQL and data science workflow is like, it's a very crucial for data science workflow, right? It plays very crucial role. Okay, enables efficient data extraction, cleaning, preparation for analysis. See, you can do cleaning here also. You can do cleaning in Python also. You can do cleaning with R also. But you need to know that the concepts are same, and you'll see 80 to 80 plus or 90 plus, you'll see similarity. Concept is same, you just need to know how to use it. That's it. Once concept is clear, you can, whether you are using in Python, R, or SQL, no problem. So you should be good with all these tools. Okay. Data acquisition retrieves and extracts data from various data sources. That's what is called data acquisition. Data cleaning removes inconsistencies, handles missing values, ensures data quality. That's it. Data transformation reshapes, aggregates, modifies data to suit your analysis. That's what transformations. See, we have seen transformation in R, we have seen transformation in Python. That is very, very important, guys. The work of a transformations is that it reshapes, aggregates, modifies data, suits as per your analysis, whatever you need for the objective function, whatever model you are building. So as per that, you have to do data transformation according to that. Data analysis applies statistical analysis. In R, we'll apply statistical analysis. We in Python we apply. In Google Colab we apply. So this is same. You just need to get familiar with the user interface and the terminologies. Okay, how they have. That's the only difference. Your basic concept is same. Okay, machine learning, maybe they have changed their names, but you will see the work is same. Okay, so machine learning and other data mining techniques. Data analysis is all about that. Statistical analysis, machine learning, and other data mining techniques. That's what is called data analysis. So the terminologies might be different, but the work is same, guys. Okay, so let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, so moving on, let's see what we are having. Yeah, conclusion and next steps. Okay, so SQL is an essential tool for data scientists, enabling effective data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Yeah, true. Best practice, practice regularly, like practice this regular practice strengthen your SQL skill and helps you develop a deeper understanding, because like here we will be having it, we doesn't have something like we can do a summary kind of thing. No, it follows a perfect pattern. Okay, like if it is a select statement, it should be like that. If it is a create statement, it should be like that. If it is like a insert, delete, anything, it has a perfect rule. You should have that thing, so that you should regularly practice it, so that you can have. Next, explore advanced concept. Dive deep into advanced concept like window function, subqueries, and then stored procedures. And there are different things, triggers, like those things. But I don't think like these are that much important. But like you guys need to have an understanding of what they are doing. Okay, that's the thing you need to have. Next, stay updated. SQL is constantly evolving, so stay informed about new features and best practices. Okay, so I will put it in simple manner. I don't say like SQL is 100% required. I don't say that, but it is required. Whenever you are having a data in some kind of servers, you need to query that and you need to fetch that. Okay. For fetching it and doing some pre-processing, unless and until it comes to model, you need to do everything by using query language. There may be a possibility. Okay. If the client or a company doesn't like give access to you Python, then you need to do everything with a query language. Okay, that's the reason you need to have a complete understanding. Okay, so I'm gonna yeah, this is what the conclusion and next step. That is what we are. I'm just saying, you guys need to have an understanding of what to do with data, how it is stored, and how we can retrieve from this, so that we can do the remaining process in a flexible and easier manner. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yes. So, conclusion and next steps, guys. So, these are very essential tools for data scientists or AIML or AI scientist or deep learning. Because, see, ultimately, whatever AI ML end to end, whatever you are doing, you have to deal with data. You need to know your data. Then and only you will build models. And that is the work, right? Solutions for the problems, insights. That's what it is. So if you don't know your data, you are not good at SQL, you are not good with the data science concepts, you're so first of all, I would say to become an AI scientist or AI ML engineer or deep learning engineer or data engineer or whatever engineer, you need to be great at data science. That is the first thing, okay? And let us go into these concepts. Practice regularly. So these are the very important things. Regular practice strengthens your SQL skills, helps you to develop deeper understanding, explore advanced concepts